G'day, Baz here from buildsbybaz.com. I've got my friend James here. He has been working his arse off building all this software to run the Viper's engines, lighting and sound. So he's finally got it boxed up, and whilst I've been working my arse off building the trailer, he's rocked up and totally made my day, and we'll hook this up and we're going to give it a test run. So we've just given it one on the quiet, now we're going to do a loud one while we've still got some daylight and don't annoy the neighbours. So I'll just flip the camera around. Here's James.
How you doing?
Here's his handiwork. I've got the little start light, and there's the box over there on the crate, which we're going to shove up under the belly there and screw it in. Alright, here we go.
Roll.
Starting.
Engine start.
Red light. I'm going to pan back.
It could be louder.
It's getting there.
Yeah. She feels good.
She's humming. Alright, that's a successful run. Well done, sir.
No worries, mate.